Okay, so this may be the most I've ever done for some car parts for myself, but it's worth it because this is one of the big three that I've been planning for literally years now. Today we are going to be driving, or I'm going to be taking you on a drive rather, to Ross-on-Wye, which is 3 hours and 10 minutes, I think, away from my house in Manchester. I don't know whereabouts in Ross-on-Wye it is yet. I need to get the guy's postcode. This has all literally just come about, but I'm going to shoot down there now. It's already 2 in the afternoon. I've been to work today. Like, this has been one hell of a day so far, and it's about to get a whole lot more interesting with a 6 hour and a bit round trip down to Ross-on-Wye. I believe Richard Hammond still lives down there, so that's quite an interesting fact about the place. Other than that, no idea about it, but yeah, we're going to be going down in this as well, as the GLS has no MOT left. I'm currently doing the work on that to try and get it through its next MOT. It's going well, got all the bits for it, just need to slap it on there. That's pretty much a summary of what's going on today. So yeah, I will give it a sit rep when I've got to fill up some more fuel, chuck 20 quid in. I think I'll get away with 20 quid and that'll bring it, should get me there and back. So I'm going to tell you a bit more about it as well. It's in black, it's a Monster Sport Rep spoiler, like I said, it's in Ross-on-Wye. It's coming off a Boost Blue ZC32S. It looks really good on the car. I'll throw a picture of his in there now, the one that he's put on Marketplace, just so you can actually see it. Yeah, it looks pretty sick and it's going to look mega on this, and I'm thinking of going for a two-tone look with it, so I'll have the main body of the spoiler going across black and the fins at the side white. I think that will pop and make the car look so sick. What do you think though? Let me know. Fuel is off the scale, which is what we like, so let's see what our range is and we'll see how far we can go on this. Are you letting us go there? Yeah. Nice one, buddy. It says our range is 325 miles, and I think the trip itself is literally 304 miles. I think it's 304 miles or 302 miles, some random number like that. So we'll just about make it by the skin of our teeth. The fuel light should be coming on when I'm coming home and going to kit tonight. So yeah, let's begin this journey. And we're going to stop off at like Birmingham to have some food because it'll be round about evening meal time then. So yeah, let's crack on. Made it to the guy's house at 6:35 PM. I'm absolutely knackered, but it was a lovely drive here. It's a lovely place as well. You can't really see anything from the start now. But yeah, it's a nice place, and I'm literally going to go and get the spoiler off now. So I'll go and deal with it, and then I will show you what it actually looks like. Right, so hopefully the GoPro captures it all here. But we're back here. We're in the daytime. We made it back from Ross-on-Wye, and what a hell of a journey it was. It took us way longer than expected, but we made it back. We're here and we have got the Monster Sport replica, but it is nonetheless the Monster Sport style spoiler replica, whatever you want to call it. I am over the moon with this thing and I can't actually wait to get it on the car. I'm going to explain a couple of bits about it. So obviously it's second hand, it's off Facebook Marketplace, which I literally do not care about, which I've explained before in my videos. It wants a repaint, someone's painted it before, but you can see bits have been missed underneath here, so we're going to correct that. We need to also reroute the brake light from the stock spoiler on the 32S, which is replaced by this part here, so it kind of sits on it like that. I would actually show you, but I've not got the car with me to show you, but I'm sure you can picture it in your head. I'll throw a picture in. I think I said I was going to do that at some point earlier in the video anyway, but if I didn't, then there you can have it now. So I'm just going to leave it here for now on my very temporary trestles, because it does want a respray, so I will get onto that probably before I even put it on the car. I'm going to think of doing it all this black, but these fins are going to be white here. I think that's going to look top. Let me know what you think though. But for now, I'm going to show you a few more bits that I've been getting up to on the car whilst I've been away for a few weeks. Here's what the indicators look like on the outside. They look so much better than the OEM ones, and it only took literally 2 minutes to install it. It's one clip that holds it in, you just got to push it to the side. And here's the result. Far better, like I said, than OEM. The LED makes it pop, it makes it glow, it's so much brighter, and you can see it from a mile away, which is what you want. And as I mentioned that clip a minute ago, this is it. This is how you unclip it. You just shift it to the left hand side. I'm not going to undo this one now because it's in and it's pretty much in place. But when you come to remove yours, just slide to the left and you will see that it moves slightly. Just keep going and be careful not to break the clips like I did on mine. This is bonfire night in the UK for you. This is what happens when it's a misty night. Oh my god, someone else is trying up here. Oh, literally can't even see a thing. Everyone's moving at about 2 miles an hour. This is absolutely crazy. Literally can't see a thing. I'm gonna have to stop now. Yeah, we've pretty much ground to a halt now. This is absolutely insane. Like, it's just bonfire night and it's a misty night anyway, so the combination of the two has just brought everyone to an absolute standstill. You literally can't even see like 2-3 feet in front of you. I've never known it this bad, but yeah, that's it. This is how it goes sometimes. Yeah, little bonus clip for you there to end off the video.